Here you go. Here you go. Robin's going to show her. Robin's pouring it in her hair. What the hell?
I didn't.
Here you go.
No, you gotta get lower.
No, you got to get lower. Look, Lynn. Do what Robin does.
See if I did it. I mean, I don't have them, so I don't know if it did or not. No, okay.
Shoot.
Get a little lower.
Get a little lower.
I can't. I really can't. Why?
I'm old.
I'm older. A lot older.
I'm 57.
I'm a lot older.
Okay.
Let's do this. Come
All
on.
right, ready?
Get down.
No, Lynn. No, Lynn. No. 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 No.
Did it do it?
Let's see. Let's see.
It did before.
Okay, maybe. I think so. I think maybe.
You gotta be kind of upside down.
Yeah. Lynn wasn't upside down.
Oh, shoot, no.
She wasn't upside down.
I can't get upside down. I can't.
Can you stand on your head?
Oh.
Does Dale need to help you get upside down?
If we put a blanket down, can we do headstands and we'll both drink water? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm a failure.
All right, no. No, it's fine. I'll be all right.